A and B and C are integers such that A squared plus B squared plus C squared equal to A plus B plus C. Find the value of A, B, and C. For solving this, we should pay attention to each term. So if I write A squared plus B squared plus C squared equal to A plus B plus C, I focus on A squared and A to see the relationship is what. So let's consider A squared. So if A is 0, A squared is 0. If A is negative 1, A squared is positive 1. If A is 1, A squared is 1. If A is 2, it will be plus 4. If it is negative 2, it will be plus 4 again. So we can see it will be always greater than equal this. How we can prove that? Let me tell you. If A is negative, we can easily prove, or I want to prove this. This equivalent that take A to right hand side. It will be A squared minus A. And then it is equivalent that it's less than or equal A times A minus 1. So if A is negative here, I can say if A is less than 0, we can obviously say A squared is positive, A is negative, it's okay. If A is 0, we can say okay, again it's okay. If A is positive, or we can say at least 1, then this part will be at least 0. Also, this part will be greater than equal 1. So again, it's correct. So if A is negative, if considered is correct. A 0, it is correct. And A greater than equal 1 means positive is correct. So always it is correct. Now, we can say also this for BB squared, CC squared. Okay, let me erase. Well, let me write. For B also, I can write B less than or equal B squared, C less than or equal C squared. And if we add all these things, A plus B plus C will be less than or equal A squared plus B squared plus C squared. But we know that you have equality here. So when we have equality here, this part. So we conclude all of these inequalities should be equality, because if one of them, for example, is strictly less than, here we have it strictly less than, we don't have equality. So all of them should be equal. So from these equalities, we conclude A equal to A squared, B equal to B squared, and C equal to C squared. Let's check one of them. If A equal to A squared, you can take A to right hand side, it will be A squared minus A equal to 0. And if we factor from A times A minus 1. So this part is 0 or this part is 0. A is 0 or A minus 1 is 0. You can take negative 1 to right hand side, A is 1. So we conclude A is 0 or A is 1. Also, we can say this for B, we can say this for C. So each of them, A is 0 or 1, B is 0 or 1, C is 0 or 1. And for any arrangement, you can conclude this. So if I want to write all answers, you have 8 answers. 2 times 2 times 2, 8. First one, 0, 0, 0. Next one of them, 1, 0, 1, 0, and 1, 0, 0. We have 2 ones, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. And the last one is 1, 1, 1. So found 8 answers for this problem. Now let me write a homework for you. The homework, let me write with another color. In homework, you can write exactly this problem, but for cube numbers. A cube plus B cube, C cube equal to A plus B plus C. You can comment your answers again right below this video. And if you wanted harder problems or wanted to know different ideas, you can send message to my WhatsApp number that I've released in description and comments. Okay, thanks. Bye.